Welcome back to a new video friends. Today we are going to talk about Redmi phone camera setting, and guys today I'm going to talk about phone guys, Redmi 10 about phone guys. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you, if you're new in my channel, so please go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So let's start video friends. First of all, open your setting app, and guys today we will talk about phone. So guys, first of all click on about, and guys today I'm going to tell you about how to check storage in Redmi 10 phone guys. How to check storage? So first of all guys, click on all space, and guys you can see internal storage guys, available storage 80 GB and total storage is 128 GB guys. So I think friends you have understood how to check storage in Redmi 10 phone. So that's it guys, thank you for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.